Hey folks, Marty here, and I will show you how can you change the default gun to your brand new gun. Import your gun and make sure it is working. After head over to the plugins and we will enable skeletal mesh editing tool. Restart the engine and now you can convert your static mesh to skeletal. Now we have to look for the weapon components. When you open it, under class default, you need to change the skeletal mesh. As you can see, it is already working. To change the pickup blueprint, open it, click on skeletal mesh and do the same changes as before. That was it, quick and easy. Thanks for watching.